Hello everybody, thank you for coming back to my channel. So the sound on my computer isn't working and I have paint on my arm. Whatever. So we'll figure it out, but let's hop into the video. This is the Lilly Pulitzer 2017-2018 agenda. This is the large agenda. I'll insert the print here. So it has this gold strap to keep it closed. And this is the back of it here. That sticker does indeed pull off. Alright. So this is a little area, so if the agenda gets lost, your info is there. It's not a pocket, but just a little design element. Flipping through here, we've got the Lilly story, a sticker page, and another sticker page. And goals for 2018. The yearly calendars. Reading the tabs here. All of these tabs are marked with months of the year or the categories of the notes that they have. More yearly calendars. And dates to celebrate. And some travel itinerary pages. Flipping through all of those. And some numbers and addresses, like a mini address book. Flipping through those pages. And the notes section, my favorite section. I love using it at the beginning of the school year and at the end of the school year. And starting off with August 2017, let's get into the prints. This is the monthly calendar and the daily section. Every month has a different print, but they all have designs and are set up in the same way. September 2017. And October. November. And December. Moving into the 2018 section. January. February. March. April. May. June. July. August. September. October. November. And December. And moving to the very back of the agenda, that peach print again. Putting the strap on it here. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you later, guys. Bye!